In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com project management. We're going to walk through a simple way to get started using a ready-made template, and then we'll update a few key details like status and priority so you can see how work actually flows on a board. First, open Monday.com and head to your main home or workspace page. This is usually where you'll see your existing boards and any recent activity. From here, we want to create something new, but instead of starting from a blank board, we're going to use one of Monday's templates to save time and get a solid structure out of the box. Look for the option to add a new board or a new item, and then choose the option that says Start with Template. This will open the Template Center, which is a library of pre-built boards for different use cases like project management, marketing, and operations. Once the Template Center is open, use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword related to project management such as project, tasks, or something similar that matches what you're trying to manage. You'll see a list of templates appear based on your search. Browse through the results and click on the template that best matches your needs. When you click into a template, you'll usually see a preview of what the board looks like, including groups, columns, and example items. Take a moment to scan this preview so you understand how it's structured. When you're ready, click the Use Template button. Monday will then create a new board in your account based on that template. This might take a few seconds, and you'll be taken directly to your new board once it's ready. Now that the board is created, let's customize it. Click into one of the status cells, typically something like Working on it or Done. This column helps you track progress. Change the status to reflect where that task truly stands. For example, you might switch it from Working on it back to Stuck or forward to Done as appropriate. Next, click into the Priority column. This is where you'll usually see options like High, Medium, or Low. Choose Low for a task that isn't urgent, or pick another level that makes sense. Setting this correctly helps you and your team quickly see what needs attention first. Finally, click into the example tasks such as a kickoff meeting or finalizing goals. Open each item, review the details, and adjust the titles or descriptions to match your real project. This is how you turn a generic template into a board that actually reflects your work.